Talking all that bullshit.
Ain't nobody gonna tell me how to live.
I'm a moonshine sipper, straight slipping in the darkness. Far from heartless, I'm more like the sharpest tool in the shed. No, I've never been the smartest, but make no mistake, I hit the fucking hardest. Devil with the
way through this pandemic is by getting everyone vaccinated.
Must be Canadian week. Your country's in revolt. Do you know about this? Show this video.
Here's a situation. A nation of pussies is our next generation. And these minions.
Some insane amount of people, like 50,000 trucks, that are headed to Ottawa. Because apparently they're all being mandated that they have to get vaccinated. And they're like, hey, we don't even contact anybody. We're in our truck.
Still screaming, fuck you!
Ain't nobody gonna tell me how to live. Ain't nobody gonna tell me how to live. Oh, I'm gonna soar like an eagle. My wings will carry me away.
Finding that they have been operating throughout this pandemic, even at the most trying times. We saw some incredibly large case numbers in the early days of COVID south of the border. It was our truckers that crossed that border.
People who